was incredibly easy. Woo! Great work with that extendo arm, Badger
Ah,
Claus.
thanks, man. And you are getting really good at crowd control, Doorbat.
It was easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy! Fantastic new team high five, y'all. Badger Clubs, victory juice me.
You got it, baby.
Mao Mao, you make everything look so easy and cool and pretty with your cape and sword. So pretty.
Doorbat, my life is not easy, all right? You want easy, look at Badger Clubs. Lets his robot arm do everything for him.
What? How can you say that when a Doorbat is right there, dude? No offense, but she has it the easiest.
You don't know what my life is like. You wouldn't last a day in school.
Wait, Skewl? I thought you were our age.
Look, team, both your roles are simple compared to mine.
You think you have the patience for my technologically advanced arm?
Of course I do!
Well, you don't have the strength for school.
You know what we have to do. Here, you take my spare arm real quick. Everyone hands in!
What is this? What are you doing?
Come on, dude, it's fun. Oh, it's happening! I'm changing! Assimilating to your nerves, Sky. Whoa! I'm a Doorbat! No, I'm not gonna do the voice.
And I'm Mao Mao. Take that, villain. Wow. I'm okay.
Time to get an education, baby. Peace! Assimilation basically done. Don't worry about it.
Easy peasy! Right, a doormat. A doormat?